In this lesson, we're going to look at writing an equation for the line of best fit, and we're going to do this one with the calculator today. All right, so we're going to use our calculator to get the line of best fit for the number of absences to the final grade. So, for example, in our table, we have 0 absences and the final grade was 89.2. We're going to be entering in all of these so that we can then find a line of best fit from this data. And so our first step that we want to do is we are going to start here, and we're going to press the Stat button, which is right here. And then we're going to press Enter. Now, yours probably does not have a bunch of data listed in there. And so I've already put it in. And so notice how I have 0 all the way down through 9. And when I entered my data in, I entered in everything from the first column, because then I could just press Enter, and then I went and I put everything in for the second column, which is our Y value. So our X value I put in, and then I put in the Y values. And so go ahead and pause the video and get your information entered into your calculator, and then you can resume the video. All right, now that you've entered all of the data, your X and your Y values, in your columns, we're going to go on down to step number 3, and we're going to go back and we're going to press the Stat button. All right, so then for number 4, we're going to then, it says to scroll over to the Calc. So I'm going to press this right here, and I'm going to go to the Calc. Now, I'm going to go all the way down to number 8. So I'm going to scroll on down to where I get number 8, and notice how I've got the A plus BX. And then I'm going to press Enter. And then once we have that, we're going to then scroll on down to where it says Calculate again. And you're going to press Enter again. And now notice that you should have these numbers here. So I have Y is equal to A plus BX, where A is equal to 88.7 and B is equal to then negative 2.8. All right, so let's take a look at then the information we're given. Now it says Y is equal to A plus BX. So B here, and I don't know why they're using other variables, but our B is a number with the variable, which is our slope. So this here is our slope. So I'm going to replace that with, so Y is equal to, let's just put our slope with our X, negative 2.8x. And then our A is the number without the variable. And so I'll have 88.7 as the Y-intercept. So our line of best fit for the data given is Y is equal to negative 2.8x plus 88.7. So in this lesson, we took a look at how to find the line of best fit using a calculator.